Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I ordered a new microphone. It's called the X Gear. I'm anxious to see how it works. It's a 2.4 gig wireless microphone. So we're going to take it apart and see how it works. I usually have a hydroponic system running in the background, and it can be quite noisy. So we're going to see how the sound is. It comes with the charging cord, and the nice thing is it comes with this adapter. I have an older iPhone, so I need that. I do a lot of filming, a lot of editing. I'm always in front of the camera, so I need a good quality microphone. This one comes with, I've already charged it, but it comes with 2 microphones and then the adapter. With the microphones, it comes with this little piece right here you just peel off, and it goes into the little charger case. And the thing I like about it is it does have a case for charging, and you can put your microphones in whenever and then close the lid, and they are secure along with your attachment. So I'm going to clip the microphone on. And I will take the adapter and put it in my phone, put it together and put it in my phone, and we're going to see how this works. Okay, I think it has changed so we don't hear the background noise. I really like it, and I hope you'll give it a try. It's the X Gear wireless microphone. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.